The opening up of the economy had helped dairy companies log strong revenue growth in the April-June quarter, but the long-standing pressure on their profitability remained unabated. Hudson Agro, Heritage Foods and Dodla Dairy reported yearly revenue growth of 27 to 40% on strong demand. However, their respective EBITDA margins dropped by as much as 530 bps during the quarter. The industry attributed the subdued bottom-line performance to the rise in milk procurement prices, elevated raw material and logistic costs. Moreover, inflation in cattle feed and cyclical production shortages aggravated the underperformance, experts said. According to Puneet Patni, research analyst at Swastika Investment, the milk production cycle has not witnessed a normal season since 2015, mainly due to weather impacts like excessive floods or drought and other factors like fluctuating prices of skim milk powder. Moreover, we expect the current high prices of milk to sustain due to high inflation in food commodities, fuel, and fodder. Against this backdrop, analysts remain cautious on the sector and believe that the investment strategy should be guided by a company's procurement network, contribution from value-added products, and working capital intensity.
Dairy companies, the margin is only 2-3%. If you are in the upgraded version, like, you have cheese or you have ice cream or value-added product, where the margins are higher. Now, if you are only in milk or in curd, the margins are very pathetic. So you will not be able to observe any price hike. So you have to be in a value-added product like paneer, cheese, or even ice cream like that. You need to watch a company for at least 4-5 years because the management is very important because it is a very low-cost business and how they are scaling up the operation and it is not for a retail segment. The dairy sector is a very complicated sector. It looks very easy, but the margins are very low. So, somebody who is there in the value-added product, you have to select those kind of company and who have very good market share in that particular market where they operate.
Value-added products like paneer, cheese, frozen desserts, and ice cream are commodities where the margins are generally higher, or in some cases even double that of milk. The industry has taken price hikes of 5 to 8% during the first half of 2022, but more price hikes in the second half are likely to follow, analysts said. Dodla Dairy's management, for instance, has said that it aims to mitigate rising raw material and feed prices by increasing its selling prices in the coming quarters. Overall, experts foresee margin pressures to linger in the near term despite some respite with the onset of the flush season. Today, US retail inflation numbers for July will determine the market's mood as Q1 corporate earnings enter their last leg.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
तुम इतना डर गए? अब क्या किया?
शेयर्स में ट्रेडिंग।
तुम्हें 5 पैसा नहीं पता?
ओए, अब तो सबको पता है। 5 पैसा पर मिलते हैं रिसर्च टूल्स, पोर्टफोलियो एनालिटिक्स और इन्वेस्टमेंट आइडियाज भी। डाउनलोड 5 पैसा नाउ।
अब तो सबको पता है investing made easy and rewarding with 5 paisa. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.